Yeah, so my name is Ben Nikkel, and I work for Hirsh Precision Products in Boulder, Colorado. And I'm the production scheduling and customer service manager. One thing approach that I've always tried to take and always appreciated in people that were, my leaders at times is getting to understand what that person is actually going to do when I walk away. So if I walk into the deburring department and say, I need these to ship today, can you do it? I might ask first or follow up, after their answer with, can you show me, or just let, what does that mean for you? What am I asking you to do? I like to know a little bit more technically about what's going on. And I've found that doing that, it just makes it easier to help everybody in the company, whether that's estimation, saying, do you think we can achieve this quick lead time for this customer? And I'll say, well, look what you're asking. These guys have to do this, these guys have to do that. I don't think that's going to work. Whereas on paper, I might have said, sure, do it. But knowing more about what everyone's doing, I think really helps me to advise, anytime somebody has a question for me or helps me make decisions better that help the company. So we also, celebrate continuous improvement. Our 5 main goals. We have 5, main goals this year. One of which is to adapt to change as necessary, and the metric there that we track is continuous improvement engagement from the whole team. So we have an expectation that everybody contributes a certain number of continuous improvement ideas, and it doesn't matter how big or small they are, or even if they get done. But at least that the suggestion is made, and the idea there is not to force people to do stuff. It's to encourage people to share their ideas, because we know everybody has them. So we try to make it real easy to share those ideas, and then make sure everyone knows where the resources are to make them happen.